Hello, hello. Welcome into my workshop and welcome to the show Creations of Clay. My name is Louis Palladini, and today I'd like to paint the whale shark that we had made a few weeks ago. I'll show you. We're going to paint this from start to finish. It's a beautiful color. It was the color blue. I looked it up on the internet, and I wanted to make it as close as possible to what I could see on the internet, and so we're going to be mixing some colors today, and I'll show you how to do that. The colors we're going to be using today are acrylic paints. We're going to be using blue and white. I have an extra white just in case. This one's getting low, so that's why I wanted to do that. But the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to paint the underside of the shark, the whale shark, white right here. So I'm just going to take a quick look at my model, see how I did it over here, and make sure I do it the exact same way. Okay, so now we're going to get the white. We're going to put that right here. I'll leave him right there so we can still see him. Let's see, get near the end, but there we go. So the first thing that I want to do is I want to paint the underside. So we'll take this. I'm just going to see how now we're dabbing that nicely. See that? Look at that. Look at how nice that looks. See how we did that? You see that side there? I'll flip it over to this side. Nice. It's nice. I do want to dry this a little bit so it's easier to work with. Makes it a little easier to work with now. So now that we've done that, the next thing that I want to do is I want to paint, we're going to take some blue. I'm going to put that right here. And what we're going to do is I want to paint the mouth part next. What I want to do is paint the inside of the mouth. Let me see, I want to get a smaller brush. Get this brush here. And what I'm going to do is just going to dab in here with the blue. And just the regular blue. See this? It gives it a nice dark color. What it does is it gives some depth. Okay. So that's in there now. That's nice. See that? Nice dark blue. Is we're going to mix. I'm going to take this here, put some blue, and then we're going to get some white, and we're going to mix it together. Okay. And then we'll take those two colors and we're just going to mix them together. And what I'm going to do is I want to make that a little darker. So add a little more blue to it. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to paint this blue. See that? Just paint like that. Then we'll paint the top side, the blue. See how I'm doing that? See, we'll use the blow dryer now. And okay, I think that's, yep, I can touch that now, which is good. So the next thing that we want to do is, when we have this dark blue color, I do want to paint the eyes. You can either do black, but today I'm going to try to do the blue, the very dark blue. I'll paint the eye right here. See that? Then we'll do the same on the other side. And that's starting to look real nice. See how we did that? I did the dark blue, or you can use black too, but I'm just going to use the blue for today. What we want to do now is we want to make patterns or spots of white all on the blue. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So on this here, we'll just make little dots here and there. See that? And I'll go to the other side and do the same thing. Now what we're going to make patterns here. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4. See how we're doing that? Nice little pattern. Just like that. We'll just make that nice little pattern. Just gonna do this at random up here. And then we do the other side. Just like that. And we'll just keep doing this. So when you do like the head, see how we're just going to do that at random? We just do those at random like that. See how nice that looks? And then what you would do is we're going to switch, try to go the other side, and we'll do the same thing over there. So see how we did that? Okay, so now that we've done that, I'll show you what the final version will look like. once. I just want to wipe my hands off, so the paint's still a little wet here. So your final version of the whale shark will look like this. See how we painted all the underside white? I'll rotate that a little bit so you can see both sides. And then, as you can see, we painted, on this version here, I did the black eye. You can use the dark blue like we did here, or you can use black. And then you can see the black eyes, and you can see the mouth, how I put the dark blue. It creates depth. And then you can see the nice pattern that I made on the shark like that. I'll rotate it so you can see it from different angles. And I'll show you this side. See how nice that looks? And I do want to thank you for coming to Creations in Clay today. And I do look forward to seeing you again next week. Goodbye for now. Thank you.